Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Do Not Disturb if it's not working on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, turn on Do Not Disturb. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to Open Control Center. Tap on Focus, then make sure Do Not Disturb is selected and turned on. Next, check Allowed People and Apps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Focus, then select Do Not Disturb. Tap on People and make sure no contacts are allowed unless you want them to be. Go back, tap on Apps, and remove any apps that are allowed to send notifications. Now, check the schedule. Stay on the Do Not Disturb settings page and scroll down. If a schedule is enabled, either edit it or turn it off if it's causing issues. Another important step is to turn off Share Across Devices. This prevents your focus settings from syncing and causing conflicts on your iPhone. Next, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume down button together. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Finally, update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available update. Apple often fixes focus and notification bugs in new updates. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.